Did you know there are jobs in the US where you can make over $100,000 a year without a college degree? Let's check out the top 10. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to explore high-paying jobs that don't require a college degree, but still pay really well. Ewan. Number 1, commercial pilot. You don't always need a college degree to become a pilot. With proper training and a license, you can earn over $120,000 per year. Number 2, real estate agent. By helping people buy and sell homes, you can earn commissions that push your income over $100,000 annually. Number 3, web developer. If you learn coding on your own, you can land jobs that pay between $90,000 and $120,000 a year. Number 4, electrician. This is a skill-based job where experience matters more than a degree. You can earn between $60,000 and $90,000 annually. Number 5, plumber. Plumbers are always in demand in the US, and experienced workers can make $70,000 to $100,000 per year. Number 6, police officer. In many areas, a degree is not required. After training, salaries can range from $60,000 to $100,000. Number 7, firefighter. It's a challenging job, but it comes with solid pay and great benefits, often reaching up to $90,000 a year. Number 8, truck driver. Long-haul drivers in the US can earn between $70,000 and $100,000 annually. Number 9, sales representative. With commissions, your income can grow quickly, even beyond $100,000 per year. Number 10, digital marketer. By learning skills like social media marketing and SEO, you can earn over $80,000, even as a freelancer. Which of these jobs surprise you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.